Okay, I'm gonna need everybody to stop freaking out about the fingerprint sensor on the Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro because there's no problem with it. Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, welcome back to ZAKtalks PIXEL. I'm in my professional office. I just had to get this out there. I want you guys to check out this footage from the other night where I unboxed the Pixel 6 Pro on my main channel, ZAKtalks TECH. And yeah, you tell me what's going on with the fingerprint sensor here.
Okay, cool. So let's do an unlock. That's not bad. What are people complaining about? Seriously, that was fine. Let's do a lock. Okay, so we're locked. And then touch. What are people complaining about? What are you guys complaining about? There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. What are you guys complaining about? Wow. I'm serious. You guys saw it right there. There is nothing wrong with the screen unlock on the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Okay, lock. I'm going to pick her up like a normal person. Boom. What's the problem? What's the problem? What are you guys all bitching about? Holy cow. What a bunch of nothing. Wow.
So in my opinion, there's nothing wrong with the fingerprint sensor on the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, there is a little bit of slowness, it's a little bit slower. Is it noticeable for most people? I don't think it will be. In fact, I haven't noticed it at all unless I'm actually directly looking for it when I'm in my office here, when I'm working throughout the day, the things that I'm doing and whatnot. Do I think everybody else is going to notice it? No. Does this give Google a pass? Absolutely not. And I think it can be fixed with software. Do we need to be making such a big deal about it? No, we don't need to be making a big deal about it. But you let me know down in the comment section, are people freaking out about something silly? Is it justified? Do you think it should be fixed? Do you think people should be canceling their orders and all sorts of crazy stuff? I don't think you should be. Oh, and by the way, I'm actually recording this right now on the Pixel 6 Pro selfie camera there, 4K 30. How does it look? How does it sound? I'm not using any other equipment. I'm just holding it with my hand here. Here, I'll grab it with my other hand. Whee! Let me know, how's it sound and look? If you guys enjoyed this content, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Man, people freaking out.